So I wanted to share this quick Tesla trade that we took on Friday. We had already traded SPY, SPX, Boeing, seen AMD, seen members trading QQQ. We were waiting for the next setup, and Tesla had started to go into a downtrend, and you can see kind of a bigger downtrend up here. And at the time, I did not have this line drawn, so I was using my eyes. Took the trade so quickly. And another point of this video is that just so I want everybody to realize that you do not need to be on screen all day to make money trading. A lot of people think, to be a day trader, you need to be on screen all day. And that's not true. This was a quick 60 bucks times whatever, ever many contracts you took. I actually entered in with 100 and phased them out. But even if you just went in with one contract, it's a quick 60 bucks for 4 minutes of your time. So you can see we're in a larger downtrend, but we started to fall really, really sharp here. So I was just being curious. Tesla's always up. It's one of the charts that we watch all the time, trying to catch trades on it. And you can see this very next candle here end up forming a bullish Rami, which that caught my eye. Obviously, it's still in this shorter term downtrend. It's still in a longer term downtrend, and I'm counter trend trading here because we had just come off a nice run. So I'm definitely not trying to get greedy right now. Just trying to put an extra few dollars into the pot we've already been trading in and adding on to. So you can see the next candle. It's confirmation of the bullish Rami. So bullish Rami is nothing. It's a bullish Rami is a small inside candle. In this case, is a bullish candle which followed a large bearish engulfing candle. So small bullish Rami leads to another smaller bullish candle, but that confirms the bullish Rami. But of course, we're still under the downtrend. Now this candle here, right here, opened up over top of the downtrend. So I took the trade here. Sometimes I wait to get above the 20. I actually took the trade here. Remember, I did not have this line drawn, so I got out of this trade a little early. But so we stayed in for two more candles. And this was the candle that I exited on when it didn't continue to go back up. And like I said, I was kind of eyeballing this line on my chart. I did not have it drawn. So it went in with the weekly 260s in at 212 and was able to exit at 262 and could have definitely, if I would have had that line drawn, could have definitely got a little more out of this trade. I'm not sure where it went to, but we did push up to the top of the trend. Like I say, I did not have time to draw. That's just a trade that I jumped on really quickly. But at this time that we entered this trade, I wanted to point out that we were seeing heavy 260 calls come in. And also look at this MACD. The whole way up, this MACD was spreading. Your bullish histogram bars were growing with a very nice size. But you can also see we started to fail right here and roll back over. So I'm not upset leaving a little bit on the money on the table. A 4-minute trade for 60 bucks. Great job. And I'm very happy to have been able to take part into it. I hope everybody finds this helpful. It's just a trend break within a larger downtrend, just a downtrend break within a larger downtrend. It's not really that big of a deal. The trade was took off of a bullish Rami and a decent MACD with a strong push up after we confirmed the downtrend was taken out. So, which means we need a candle to confirm that. And this next candle opened up and respected the previous candle line. Actually had a slight gap up there. It wasn't much, not a breakaway gap or anything, but a slight gap up showing some more bullish showing some more bullishness into the stock, and that's why I was able to go in, feel comfortably going in before it cleared that 20 because of that little gap up, showing some bullishness for a move higher. And like I say, that strong MACD with that bright green growing histogram bar allowed me to stay into it for a quick 4 minutes for a quick 60 bucks times the number of contracts that I had. My last 10 contracts, I was peeling out the last 10 contracts that I sold, went for 262. So a good $60 gain there. Quick trade, quick money, and I hope everybody can see this and realize that you don't have to be on screen all day to become a day trader. We actually have members who only come in during their lunch hour and are able to make some money and grow their account during their lunch hour and then go back to work. Have a great day, and I hope you find this helpful. See you in the trading room.